Sometimes when it's even cold and you can see your breath, it's nice to come out here in the garage and sit, and particularly this time of the year, listen to the birds. Because the birds are back, for sure. They're all out this morning and they're making all kinds of noise, so maybe you can hear that. At some point in time, someone may tell you that your channel needs a theme. Like you need to be focused on one topic if you really want to be successful. I had someone tell me that once on my YouTube channel. They said, well, you know, you started out doing sailing stuff. You should have really just stuck with sailing stuff. I thought about that and I just chuckled and thanked them for their feedback and all of that good thing. And then I thought a lot about it though. I thought, well, gosh, is that really what I need to do to be successful? Do I need to focus on one thing? Is it all about biking or is it all about sailing? So it made me think about some things that Rick Warren has said in the past. And that's that your shape is what defines you. And your shape is an acronym. SHAPE is an acronym for spirituality, heart, abilities, personality, and experiences. And those are the things that make you uniquely you. You can try to focus in on that one area, and maybe that will be what you think will make you successful. But I would argue that it's your shape that makes you significant. And there's a difference in those two. Your spirituality and what you believe with regards to spirit-led things, your heart, what you're passionate about, basically. Your abilities, what your God-given talents are, what you can do or are able to do. Your personality, which everyone would agree we all have unique personality. And then your experiences. What you've lived so far, what you've seen, what you've experienced in life. Those all are what make you just uniquely you. And they're also what make you significant. Your channel can be successful. You can get lots of views. You can make lots of money, perhaps. But what makes you significant is what you do for other people. I have spent a lot of time living in fifth gear, trying to be successful. At times, perhaps it was my youth. Not that I'm that old, really, but you know what I mean. And I've learned that I would rather be significant now. I would rather have an impact on other people. And for me, what that means is it starts with my own upside down pyramid, if you're familiar with that concept. And really, I'm at the bottom of that pyramid. And the people who are above me in that pyramid as it goes up are everyone else that are out there. And for me, the people that I want to begin with are my very own family, my kids, my wife, and it works up from there out to friends, employees, and ultimately my community, and maybe ultimately the world. Maybe you're a part of that. And maybe all of this sounds corny to you. But I would just encourage you to think about being significant. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with success, but I think you've been uniquely shaped to be significant to others. So I hope you'll consider that today. Thanks for following along. It's just great to listen to the birds.